The answer is yes. You can start and grow your very own YouTube channel with nothing but your phone, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. In case you're new, I do take and get reviews, vlogs, and occasionally how to do YouTube just like this one. So if you're into all that, please consider subscribing and also click the like button right now. The very first thing you're going to need is your smartphone, which I guess is already in your pockets. Just pull it out and just follow these steps I'm going to show you. Since we have that part checked, the very next thing you're going to need is a tripod stand or something to hold your phone while you record yourself. If you don't have money to afford a proper tripod stand, you can easily go for a stack of books, put a few books together, let it just hold your phone and you're able to record yourself. Don't call a friend to hold the phone for you because they are going to definitely be shaking. They are not robots and they can't stand in one place. So just find a place to put your phone so that it will be steady and shoot you properly. Next thing you're going to need is good lighting. Your best option would be to buy a softbox or a ring light like I'm using in this video. But if you can't afford any of that, just open the windows in your room, let light come into your face and also to hit your background. Your video will come out looking good. That is if you're shooting indoors. But if you're shooting outdoors, the best thing you're going to do is make sure you're facing the sun, not backing the sun. Face the sun so that the sun will hit your face and hit your background. If you're backing the sun, your video will come out looking overexposed and it will not be looking fine at all. So if you don't invest in any other thing, make sure you invest in a good microphone. Now the onboard microphone in your smartphone is not going to do a good job. So make sure you have an external microphone like a shotgun microphone or a lavalier microphone that you can clip on your shirt and your video is going to come out looking good. Now people easily forgive bad video quality, but bad audio quality, nobody's going to watch your video. So invest in a good microphone. So the next thing you're going to need is an editing software, something to help you cut your videos, add background music and do all that. Down the software I'm going to advise, or the application I'm going to advise you download on your phone on the App Store or the Play Store is KineMaster. It is available for both iOS and Android options. The next app I could recommend is Power Director. Those two apps will do just fine for your video editing. After you've shot and edited your video, the next thing you're going to need is a good software to help you do your thumbnail. An application advice you use is Canva or PixArt. Any of these two applications will do just fine. These are the two applications that I use personally and they are sweet and good to go. So if you've got any value from this video, please click the like button and also smash the red subscribe button down below. That being said guys, join the family and I'll see you in the next video.